What is up, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. So today we have a lot going on. I'm actually going to Vegas for New Year's, so need to do all the preparations. The oil on the CRZ has actually been out of date for, well, I think I just forgot to reset the meter, so it's been telling me for the past almost 2,000 miles that I need to change my oil. So I'm going to be changing my oil today, swapping out the CE28s that are on this bad boy. Damn, those are my dream wheels, low-key. They were on my Civic and now they're on the CRZ. But swapping those out with the OEMs up there. Boom, zoom in now. Wait a minute. Before we start, are you guys subscribed yet? If you're not, show your boy some support and hit that link down below. Well, subscribe button. I'm gonna move it to the center of this driveway so that we can do everything all at once. So let's stop lagging and get to work. Go do a walk around of the CRZ real quick. Yeah, man, I don't know if you guys want to see this on my channel, but you know, it is my other vehicle. If you haven't seen this rear diffuser, here it is. Pretty nasty. I dig it. What the heck? It's kind of, a bolt fell out. That explains a lot. Been scraping like crazy. I'm gonna go fix that real quick. Stay right here. Well, a little update. I'm completely failing. I'm gonna be taking off the tires anyway, so I'm gonna take off the tire, which will give me access to the sides where these guys are mounted, and that'll give me more room to adjust the rear diffuser. So let's take off the wheels and get to work. All right, so before we go on to the first rear, I just want to show you that we got the front on. So if you guys are wondering why I put back in the silver OEM versus the VTEC SR48 blues, it's because the seating on the OEM wheels are rounded while these are pretty straight. If you run the wrong seating on the wheels, it could cause it to fail on you and get loose and the wheels to fly off. And the last thing you want is the wheels to fly off. So just do that right. And don't forget to use a torque wrench when you put them back on. That's how I do it. Let's get onto the rear. Alright, so that part was filthy and we got it clean. I just drilled a fat hole. And now that this is hanging, I can get to there and secure it again. This bolt was giving me problems with the rear diffuser on. Unfortunately, my arms aren't the smallest things in the world, so the struggle is real. I'm thinking this is a 13. How did I know? Somehow this whole thing loosened up on me. Sweet. Alright, now that's good. Now I'm just gonna bolt this back up to right here. So we got both the front and back done. Now we're gonna torque everything down. Also, when you secure everything, don't forget to do everything in a star pattern. Whether it's a 4-lug or a 5-lug, you always go across. And now it's time for the passenger side. I was saying it was flat, and I just found where it's flat from. Damn, there's two of them. It's got to be this one though. Guarantee you. It's a nail. See what I can do. I'm gonna pull it out with this, and I'm pretty sure I have plugs. Could have been that. Look at that. Definitely a nail. What are you doing in my tire? So I'm gonna go throw that away because that sucks. And there's this guy right here. One more. What the hell is that? Done F me up. The hell? Damn, I love these tires. It'll probably get saved, but that'll be for another day. So let's go throw on these OEMs and get the car ready for Vegas. All right, so we got the rear on. Alexa, off. We got the rear on, the front on. I still need to torque it, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna jack it up more. I'm gonna put it on some jack stands, and then we're gonna do the oil change before it's too late. But first, let me go make sure I have an oil filter. Let's go. I'm pretty sure I do. If I don't, F my life. Because I remember. Come on, big bucket of oil stuff. Boom, son! Look at that Honda OEM, as always, with the crush washer. That boy out. Stank. All right, we're good to go. Let's finish this up. Damn, that is pretty hilarious. Look how tall that thing is. Now I'm gonna jack up this side and start the oil change. So we're just gonna take off this entire panel, which is missing half of the entire thing, but whatever. Try not to break these clips, guys. They're really expensive. All right, that's all off. And I'm pretty sure there's just a few more back here. That is actually barely in. Oh well, thug life. Boom, taking all that, and kadoosh, it is all showing its true colors now. Oil filter is right over here. Check that out on the front side. Should be hand tight. If not, be sure you have some filter pliers or just run a screwdriver through it if it's that tight. Let's do this oil change. Pretty sure it's a 14. On the CRZ, it is back here, and it definitely is a 14. Just want to hit it a few times. Boom, it's loose. Then, all right, wish me luck. Which this probably won't turn out too good, but you're about to find out today. Yeah, good enough. That stuff dark as F. But these hybrids, you can change the oil every 10,000 miles. And it'll be fine. It's such a small motor, such a lightly abused motor, unless you're me. But these do come with VTEC, so if anybody's wondering, they also come in standard, so that's really dope for a hybrid. Pretty sure they're the only ones out there. There we have it. Oil is draining. Next, we're gonna take off the filter that's right up here. I'm gonna go grab the crush washer and be right back. All right, say that's enough. Sure, no crush on here. Awesome. Hell yeah. Gotta love it. Gotta love it when you do it right. Alright, it's done. You want to be sure to wipe up this surface real nice after this is off. And don't forget to double check that there's no filter gasket left on the seating area. I'm just gonna go dab that on here and we'll bam. Put that on here so it's not dry, or else it will dry rot on the car, on the seating surface, and that could jack you all up. Boom, we are done. Everything's bolted back up. Everything's tightened back down. I know I didn't get it in the video, but I did tighten down the drain bolt, and yeah, everything's good. We're gonna drop everything down and torque everything down for the final time and call it a day. Have it. The car is back down on all fours. I'm gonna close it out with that, guys. I really appreciate you guys watching. If you guys got to the end, you guys are the best. I really appreciate all you guys for even checking it out. If you guys aren't subscribed yet, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Show your boy some support. And if you want to get notified, hit that notification bell. Appreciate all you guys. I'll see you guys next time. Deuce.